In a country of contrasts, of diversity, of life, I found it has something very special. It has the biggest garden I ever seen, with the greatest amount of life per unit area of the whole world. We are in the Amazon of Ecuador, where life is combined in an exquisite mixture of colors, smells, and sounds. A unique place where the snow of a volcano touches the green of the jungle. A territory with hills, valleys, and plains that are interconnected by a set of arteries through which flows the element that keeps life, the water. Here, each step showed me something new. Made me humble and made me understand why our home is unique and invaluable. There, I disconnected from everyday life to find the essence of my being, to fall in love with my land, to daydream in a true paradise, the wish to be reborn here again and again. Ecuadorian Amazon, open book of life, hope for a changing world.